welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to try something using masking fluid. I've got a little cutout here of a unicorn that I've used on something else, and I thought I would see if it would work with masking this out, doing a background, and then taking the masking off and putting a bit of black alcohol ink in this to give a silhouette. So I'm going to draw around this in black permanent marker. I'm not sure what it's going to turn out like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and go around the edges with this. This is not easy to direct, as I hoped. That doesn't matter. I'm not sure if that needs a bit more shaking. No, seems to be quite watery anyway. So we've now got, hopefully, it feels dry, the masking fluid. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop a bit of mica in places before I put the alcohol ink down. I'm going to splodge it with alcohol ink and then go from there. And the reason I'm putting the mica down is because I would like a sparkly background. Or not sparkly, but shimmery. Because I think it deserves it. And I like a bit of shimmer. I used to shimmer myself one time, but I don't anymore. I'm non-shimmery. And if you've seen my previous video on how I use mica with alcohol inks, if you tap the link above you'll see that. This is quite a common method for me to use. I think it works really well. So let me know what you think in the comments, that'd be great. And if you like my videos and me testing things out, please hit that subscribe button. And also the like button really helps as well. I do have somebody that dislikes most of my videos. I don't know why they bother watching them. But there we go. But then, that's fine, isn't it? Not everyone can like everything. So, actually, I'm going to put some paper under this first. So, now I'm going to pop some ink down. And hopefully, that's not going to react too much with the masking fluid. I'm also going to put some neat alcohol on it because I like that too. And I'm going to use my little air gun to blow it around with. Not my airbrush, my air gun. I want that definitely to be a bit more there, right, that's lovely. So I think this is dry enough now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if it will come on. Right, so I've lifted up some, fortunately. And hopefully it should just peel off. Where I had it. Does look like there's some where obviously I didn't get the masking fluid on thick enough. But that's okay. overall, that's come out pretty well. So, let's move it more in the centre. So what I'm going to do now is I always open it at the wedge side, and it actually tells me on the thing. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to use my Copic pen to fill in the black. Yeah. So there we go. I mean, he does look a bit of an odd shaped unicorn, I think. But I really like that. And with a bit more practice of doing unicorns, I'm sure I could come out with something that I'd be really, really happy with. But it's not about that. It's about just having a go and trying. So that's how easy it was to do, using really just alcohol ink, which was the some bright yellow, diluted down with 99% alcohol, and then diluted again as I put it on there. Went over with a little bit of mica after I blocked that out, and I think we've got what I would consider to be a unicorn there, in silhouette as well. So I hope you like this. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think, and what method you use to do something similar, and if you've enjoyed this video, or any comments. I love reading the comments. I look at them several times a day and I always respond. And hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see the rest of my videos. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.